Hi there, this is Teacher Will again from camglish.com. Today we are going to have exercises from the book Essential Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Okay, so are you ready to start? Okay, so today we are going to have exercises in Unit 75 or the lesson using one or once. If you want to learn first about the topic, you just have to watch the previous videos, okay? So, my mechanics. I will be reading questions and sentences first and instructions. And then when I say pause or put my cursor here in this pause sign, I want you to pause your video and answer the following. And then after, play it again. After finishing, answer everything so we can check your answers, okay? Don't cheat. Okay, so now let's start our first exercise. In this part, A asks B some questions. Use the information in the box to write B's answers. Use one, not A or N, in the answers. Okay, so let's read first the ones in the box. B doesn't need a car. There's a chemist in Mill Road. B hasn't got a pen. B has just had a cup of coffee. B is going to get a bike. And then lastly, B hasn't got an umbrella. Okay, let's have number 1 as an example. A says, "Can you lend me a pen?" B says, "I'm sorry, I haven't got one." Okay, so now let's have number 2. Would you like to have a car? B says, "No, I don't." Blank. Number 3. Have you got a bike? Letter B, no, but blank. Number 4. Can you lend me an umbrella? B says, "I'm sorry, but blank." Number 5. Would you like a cup of coffee? No, thank you. 6. Is there a chemist near here? Yes, blank. Okay, so now I want you to pause your video and start answering the following. Okay, so are you done? Now let's check your answers. So, as you can see the screen, I have here the answer keys, okay? So now let's have number 2. B says, "I don't need one." Number 3. No, but I'm going to get one. Number 4. I'm sorry, but I haven't got one. Number 5. No, thank you, I've just had one. And then lastly, number 6. Yes, there's one in Mill Road. Okay, so I hope you got a great score there. Now let's move on with the next exercise. So, in 75.2, just complete the sentences. Use A or N, then 1. Use the words in the list below. Better, big, clean, different, new, old. Let's have number 1 as an example. This cup is dirty. Can I have a clean one? Okay, how about number 2? I'm going to sell my car and buy blank. Number 3. That's not a very good photograph, but this is blank. Number 4. I want today's newspaper. This is blank. Number 5. This box is too small. I need blank. And then number 6. Why do we always go to the same restaurant? Let's go to blank. Now, I want you to pause your video and start answering the following. Okay, so are you done? Now let's check your answers. Okay, in number 2, the answer is, I'm going to sell my car and buy a new one. Number 3, that's not a very good photograph, but this is a better one. Number 4, I want today's newspaper. This is an old one. Number 5, this box is too small. I need a big one. And then lastly, number 6, why do we always go to the same restaurant? Let's go to a different one. Okay, so I hope you got a great score in this exercise, and then I hope you also enjoyed. So there's still a continuation of the exercise. Just watch the next video. So this is Teacher Vil again, saying goodbye.